Michelle URL here, and I have the Belkin mini display port to HDTV cable. So there we go, there are my ends right there. You can put this in your Mac. Right there in the thunderbolt and that lightning port. Boom. Plug it up to the TV, or what I do, I plug it up to my Mac. Okay, so I already have my settings in place from when I plugged it up a few days ago. But when I first plugged it up, it automatically went to mirror display, and also the sound was coming from the TV. Let me show you where to change that. You go to displays and your system preferences, arrangement. So this is what it did look like. But you go here, turn off mirror displays. So now you have it to where you got two different things going on. And the sound was coming from the TV, but I wanted it to come from my Mac, so I had to go to sound. It was on Samsung HDMI, but you just put it to internal speakers and then it will come from the Mac. So this is my first Belkin cable, I think, that I've ever had, and so far I'm satisfied with it, so 5 stars.